ever come across situations where employees keep taking sick leave but you aren't sure how to manage it? This can easily lead to suspicion whether the medical certs are genuine or not. And, you might be wondering what you and your HR department can do in such situations. Here are the 5 proven simple steps on what an employer can do if they notice an employee keeps taking sick leave and find it suspicious. The first step that employers can do is to verify and validate all the submitted medical certs with the medical centers. Employers can make a trip to the clinics or medical centers to verify the serial number, clinic location, handwriting, the signatory and check all the details that are in the medical certs. This can help to understand if the medical certs are real or fake. You can also look into sick leave patterns of the employee, such as, is the sick leave often taken after and before public holidays, is it taken in between long weekends or even during work peak periods where the employee knows they need to be on duty, but they decided to take sick leave. Employers can arrange a HR counseling session with the employee to understand the employee's health situation and provide the employee the necessary advice. Secondly, the employer can arrange a full-body medical checkup for the employee because this can help both the employee and employer to understand the illness condition. This will be helpful to identify what action needs to be taken next. Do take note that the medical cost is always advisable to be charged onto the company. Employers can identify a few specific registered medical clinics which are near to the employee's house for visitation and treatment. This can help avoid clinic hopping and employees are made aware that they are under monitoring. Managers and HR can keep an eye on the employee's sick leave application and to ensure there is no misuse of sick leave benefit. If any sudden suspicious sick leave application arises, you can immediately verify with the clinic and pay a visit to the employee as an act of showing care. The final step which the employer can do is to take the necessary action based on the findings. If all the findings and investigation are leading to the misuse of the sick leave, the employee may then be faced with disciplinary action. The action can go up to employment termination. Or if the employee is in a serious medical situation where it is called a prolonged medical condition, the option of medical board out can be applied depending on the company policy. In conclusion, if you are an employer, you can take the necessary action upon conducting thorough findings and investigation. Make sure all the investigated information are documented. If you are an employee, it is advisable that you don't ever misuse the sick leave or try faking the medical certs no matter in any situation. This is a very serious misconduct and it can destroy your career and your employment if found guilty. The doctor can also sue you to court for using their name in the medical cert. I hope you have gained some useful information from this video. More information about Malaysia employment practices will be uploaded. Hope to see you in my next video.